It is Advent season, the 1st of December, and we are so excited because it is time to crack open the first gin in your gin Advent calendar. Beck, what have we got?
I have a little clue for you actually,
Oh, I'm
Lucinda.
excited.
And it goes a little bit like this. For we all love figgy pudding, we all love figgy pudding, we all love figgy pudding, so bring some out here.
I mean, what a,
And we have!
a rousing rendition of that beautiful song, and Becky is completely correct. Our first Advent gin is Figgy Pudding Gin from Tarquins.
Oh, yes.
Some of our favorite distillers. This is so, so delicious. It's got notes of fig, but also warming winter spices and clementine. Give it a smell.
Yeah, and look at the colour of that. This is a perfect treat. Perfect treat for Christmas, start of the festive season. It's like Christmas pudding in a gin.
And you know what? I've never had a figgy pudding, but if it tastes anything like this, I bet I'd like it.
I think that's very high praise indeed, Lucinda. And I'm sure everyone at home will totally agree with you. I, for one, am very excited to get going on this.
And we are so excited to be here with you. So we will be back every single day this Advent. We'll be sharing tasting notes of all the beautiful gins. We'll be doing cocktail classes, garnishes. We're gonna be mixing up a storm this Christmas, and there's gonna be some delicious gins along the way.
We can't wait to see you there.
Merry
Cheers.
Christmas!